Hello Legal Inspiration family. I welcome you all to dive with me once again into the world of law. How to win a court case with a guarantee. That's the topic of today's video. You might have seen this in the title and the thumbnail of this video already. And I'm going to talk about this important topic today. I've already made one video on this topic in Hindi language. But I'm making this video for my English audience friends. This video is for both general people and for young advocates. Friends, I felt it so important to discuss this topic because in the legal world, people, especially young lawyer friends, are often searching for videos on this subject. When I checked the internet, I found that this topic was searched in various ways. There were search terms like winning a court case mantras, manifesting victory in court cases, who can win a court case, quick strategies to win a court case, win a court case in 5 minutes. That was also a topic. So how to win a court case, methods to resolve court cases, achieving success in court case. So this shows that the audience is eager to know how to win a court case, and they desire quite an amount of certainty in winning a court case. Now this fact that people want such topics to be covered in videos is evidence enough, suggesting a strong desire for certainty in winning court cases. In other words, people want to know how to win court cases with a guarantee. Therefore, today I am going to discuss how to win court cases. So friends, stay tuned because this journey is just beginning, and believe me, you should watch this video in its entirety. This video is so crucial that you wouldn't want to miss a single moment. It's important to grasp everything thoroughly, and please do not attempt to guess my message without watching the entire video. Those friends who are new to this channel, I welcome them all to Legal Inspiration community. For them, let me introduce myself briefly. Friends, I'm Advocate Nahush Khubalkar. I'm practicing since last 32 years at Nagpur before High Court of Bombay, bench at Nagpur. The purpose of my channel is to make my people aware about certain realities in the world of law, to simplify for them certain complicated things, to build a community of people, litigants and young advocates who believe in seeking solutions to their problems or building their legal practice through just and fair and realistic means. There are two classes of audience of this channel. One is general people who may be either litigants already fighting cases in the courts, or who may not have yet become litigants but still are curious to know about the legal system and its procedure. The other class of people is young, promising advocates who aspire to become good, skilled legal professionals and to serve the society through their legal acumen and skills. For both of you, there is already a lot of material on this channel in the form of various videos on various topics. Churn out this channel and watch the videos. So before we dive into today's topic, friends, here is a very small intro of this channel. Coming to the topic of today's video, friends, all of us have seen those movies and TV shows where the suave hero lawyer enters the courtroom with a swag, exuding brilliance, delivering eloquent arguments, throwing impressive dialogues with all that melodrama, and confidently walking out of the courtroom with victory in hand as if success was assured to him from the start. Now, I'm not denying the possibility of this happening in real life, nor am I asserting otherwise. If your case really has merits and your lawyer is skilled and experienced, then undoubtedly the chances of success of the case could tilt in your favor. Mind my words, they can tip the scales in your directions is what I'm saying. But at the same time, there are other important aspects to consider. So pay full attention and understand them properly. Let me tell you, legal proceedings are akin to navigating a maze, presenting fresh challenges and uncertainties at every turn, like a labyrinth. You know, labyrinth? In Hindi we call it bhool bhulaiya. A labyrinth or bhool bhulaiya is a complex, tangled network of paths with numerous twists and turns, making it difficult to traverse. Similarly, while traversing the maze of legal proceedings, even the most meticulously prepared case may encounter unexpected obstacles, whether in the form of unforeseen legal precedents, that means case laws, or shifts in judicial attitude, that means judicial temperament, or the emergence of unexpected evidence. Even the most diligently prepared case is subject to the whims of fate and unpredictability of human nature. Perhaps you have devoted countless hours to preparing your case, studying law books, crafting compelling arguments, and anticipating every possible scenario. But as the proceedings unfold, you may find yourself thrown off course, surprised by unexpected twists. It can be from opposing counsel or from the court. Now, such occurrences may not be very frequent, but they are still a reality. I have personally experienced this phenomenon, and I observed my opponent lawyer friends experience it in the court as well. In fact, all lawyer friends must have encountered this at some point, and those who haven't, they are likely to experience it sooner or later. So the question is, while a case unfolds in court, what causes these unforeseen shifts? Well, friends, there are various factors such as credibility of witnesses, admissibility of evidence, interpretation of laws, difference in judicial perspectives, and more. Those factors, in unpredictable ways, can sway the scales of justice. Furthermore, one cannot disregard the human element. Judges are not automated robots programmed to dispense justice. They are human beings with their own beliefs and preferences and interpretations of the laws. Despite thorough preparation and compelling arguments presented in court, it's important for you to acknowledge that the judge brings his or her perspective, her unique perspective and life experiences on the bench, which can influence his or her perception of a case. You might have meticulously prepared your case, yet when standing before the judge, your fate lies not only in the strength of your arguments, but also in the subjective lens through which the judge views your case, the facts of your case, or the laws applicable to your case. So even if your legal arguments are robust and backed by ample evidence and case laws, there is still a chance that the judge may consider other aspects of the situation beyond what you present. In a sense, In such cases, the outcome depends not solely on the merits of your arguments, but rather on the subjective perceptions of the presiding judge. So, even before delving into the strategies for winning a court case, it's essential to grasp this fundamental truth. Now, you might find it disappointing, but dear friends, it's a reality. How I wish that the reality of the legal system could be different. It's a natural inclination to hope for a world where lawyers could accurately predict court case outcomes, providing clients with a clear road map for their legal matters. In such a system, the law would be precise, legal principles well established, and judicial temperament reliably predictable. How reassuring it would be to know, even before stepping into the courtroom, where one stands in terms of a client's legal claim or defense. But alas, as much as I wish it were so, the reality is far from this ideal. In my musings, I often envision a legal system for this country where clarity reigns supreme. A place where legal disputes are resolved swiftly and decisively without the need for prolonged litigation or the looming specter of uncertainty. Yet, the intricacies of the legal system defy such simplicity. Laws evolve, interpretations vary, and judicial decisions are sometimes influenced by a multitude of factors beyond the confines of legal statutes. So, despite my longing for certainty, friends, I am reminded that the essence of the legal profession lies in complexity. Legal disputes are inherently nuanced, shaped by a myriad of variables that resist easy categorization or prediction. While legal professionals strive to provide clarity and guidance to their clients, we must also grapple with the inherent uncertainties of the legal process. So, while my desire for certainty may persist, I recognize the importance of embracing the nuances of the legal system. It's through these complexities that the pursuit of justice truly takes shape. And it's our commitment to seeking truth and upholding the principles of fairness and equity that guides us through this journey. So, coming back to that point, dear friends, unlike portrayals in films and TV shows, the truth is that no matter how renowned, intelligent, or stylish a lawyer may be, he or she cannot guarantee 100% favorable outcome for his or her client in a court case. While legal knowledge, experience, and persuasive skills may tilt the odds in your favor, the complexities of the legal system and unpredictability of the judicial decisions make it impossible to ensure such a victory. Now, having heard this truth from me, you must have felt a certain degree of disappointment. But to let this truth sink in you well, I am going to take a few moments of silence. But please don't skip the video. Many important things are coming up. So now you all and my young lawyer friends will ask, what to do in such a situation? Should I sit with disappointment? How to win the court case, sir? Okay, let me answer that for you. Friends, the crux of the matter is that even amidst the daunting specter of uncertainty, it's most important that you do not succumb to defeatism. Number 2, you acknowledge that while uncertainty exists, not every good and meritorious case ends in defeat. If your case holds merit, maintain faith in it. then retain faith in the efficacy of the legal system also. Now let me tell you certain important points, 3 important key points which will help you. Point number 1, manage your expectations. While it's natural and essential to hope for a favorable outcome, understanding the realities of the legal process and approaching each case with a dose of realism is crucial. Traversing the intricate pathways of the legal system demands not only legal acumen but also an appreciation of its inherent complexities and uncertainties. It's like embarking on a journey filled with twists and turns and unforeseen challenges. By managing your expectations, you adopt a mindset of practical optimism, one that acknowledges both the potential for success and the possibility of setbacks along the way. This balance between optimism and realism equips you to pass through the legal uncertainties effectively, maximizing your chances of success while upholding justice. And that brings us to point number 2. Maximize your chances of success. Focus on maximizing your chances of success in the case. Give your best effort and leave the rest to Almighty. When advocating your case, employ a strategic approach that minimizes the risk of failure and maximizes the chances of success. Let me share with you some strategies for enhancing your chances of success in a court case. Number 1, provide honest and realistic assessment. Offer your clients candid evaluations of their cases to manage expectations effectively. Outline potential risks and uncertainties and provide sound legal counsel to empower clients make informed decisions. Number 2, conduct a comprehensive case analysis. Begin by conducting a thorough analysis of your case. Identify its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Evaluate evidence, legal precedents, and potential arguments to construct a robust foundation for your case. Number 3, set clear objectives. Define precise objectives and goals for your case to guide your strategy and decision-making process. Whether your aim is to win the case or to secure a favorable settlement or achieve a specific outcome, clarify your purpose. Clarity of purpose is paramount. Number 4, develop a robust legal strategy. Craft a strong legal strategy based on your case analysis and objectives. Identify key legal issues. Anticipate opposing arguments and formulate compelling arguments to bolster your position. Explore different legal theories and approaches to fortify your case. Number 5, assess and mitigate risks. Evaluate the risks associated with your case and devise strategies to manage them effectively. Identify potential obstacles and devise contingency plans to address adverse scenarios. Number 6, seek support and guidance. Collaborate with legal experts, colleagues, sometimes clients, to brainstorm ideas, share insights, and leverage collective expertise. Consult specialists such as consultants and, if necessary, forensic experts or subject matter experts to strengthen your case and address complex issues effectively. Number 7, remain adaptable and flexible. Be prepared to adapt your strategy in response to new information, changing circumstances, or unforeseen developments. Flexibility enables you to mitigate risks, seize opportunities, and pass through challenges adeptly. Number 8, Commit to continuous growth and improvement. This is very important. Stay abreast of change in laws, regulations, and legal precedents relevant to your practice area. Reflect on past cases and experiences. Glean valuable lessons and identify areas for enhancement. So friends, by embracing these strategies, you can maximize the prospects of success in your case. And that brings us now to point number 3. Never lose sight of the big picture. Friends, amidst the flurry of legal proceedings, it's crucial never to lose sight of the broader perspective. Because being a lawyer is not solely about winning cases or securing favorable outcomes. It's about upholding the fundamental principles of justice, honesty, and fairness that underpin our legal system. True success is not merely measured by a tally of wins or accolades received. Instead, it's gauged by the extent to which your advocacy aligns with the ideals of justice and fairness. So, while zealously advocating for your clients, it's essential to maintain ethical standards and uphold the principles of professionalism that define the integrity of the legal process. The realities of the legal profession are as intricate as the cases it handles, complex, challenging, and sometimes entirely unpredictable. Yet, rather than being daunted by these complexities, accepting these truths is what truly distinguishes us as legal professionals. By approaching each case with honesty, perseverance, and humility, we not only traverse through the intricacies of the legal system, but also uphold the principles upon which our profession stands: justice, fairness, and equality. In bringing about a tangible change in people's lives, serving as a beacon of hope amidst uncertainty, and steadfastly advocating for the rule of law, we exemplify the commitment of legal professionals. In a world where the pursuit of justice often feels like an uphill battle, it's this steadfast dedication to our principles that sets us apart. Thank you once again for joining me on this exploration of winning court cases and broader implications for legal practice. Until next time, keep pursuing justice with diligence and integrity. Take care and goodbye for now, friends.